In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get back your archived Instagram posts on your phone. So I'm on my profile, but when you launch Instagram, you'll most likely be on the home screen. So you want to go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. And then it will show you your profile and your posts. Now, let's say, for example, I took this post and I hit the three dots at the top right of the post, and then I hit archive for whatever reason. That post will now disappear from my profile and it is now archived. Now, to get back that post onto your profile, what you need to do is go back, and then you can see three horizontal stripes at the top right. Tap on that, and then right at the top it says archive, and it will show you all your archived posts. So if you go ahead and tap on the one that you've archived or the one that you want to get back onto your profile, just tap on it, then tap on the three vertical dots at the top right of the photo or video, and then you'll want to tap on show on profile. Now that post will be back onto your profile, and I can go back to my profile and hit refresh, and the post is back. Here it is right here. So that is how you get back to your archived posts on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.